everybody. Another weekend to go to Cars and Coffee. Today I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. We're cruising along with a bunch of Mopar guys. Boy, my windshield is dirty. That's a problem with spring, huh? Bunch of pollen. Should have cleaned my windshield last night. Anyways, I'm gonna meet up with a bunch of Mopar guys, and we're gonna go cruise to Cars and Coffee this morning. So hopefully we'll find some cool cars. Last time I was there was some McLarens, but a few guys in our group have some pretty cool done up Mopars. So you guys will see, some cool cars today. So right now I'm just following a buddy of mine that lives here in the neighborhood. He's got a Lexus, I forgot, it's the V8 two-door Lexus. I forgot the ISF. I think that's what it is, ISF. Pretty cool car. So I'll turn the camera around so you can see his cool car. There's his Lexus. Alright, I'll see you at the meetup in a bit. There you go, guys. Hopefully you saw those pictures. I got a group of my Mopar friends following me here. Challenger Scatpack, silver SRT 8 Charger, and a superbee Charger superbee. And we got a straggler. We have a Ford Raptor. Eric's wife is with him. So it's gonna be a cool day. It looks like we got some cool cars already. I'm following a Camaro here, a 1970 Camaro. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna hopefully try some B-rolls if I can. I'm not very creative with my videos, so hopefully this is gonna be worth your while looking at some awesome cars. So if you love cars, stay tuned. Let's see what we can find today. All right. See you in a bit. I'm gonna go find a parking spot for all 5 of us. Hopefully we can all line up together. See you in a bit. All right. Pretty cool cars in here. Park right here beside a wide body Challenger Scatpack. I think I don't know. I think they call this Hell Racing. Some pretty cool cars out here. There's my neighbor's car, Lexus. Yeah. Missing all the wipers. Nissan's pretty cool. And of course, I gotta take a video of this one. They call it a power wagon, right? Is this called a power wagon? Yeah. We call it a weapons carrier in the Philippines. My dad had one, holding up the garage. Garage prop. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to take a picture of it because I'm gonna send it to him. He's gonna get a kick out of this.
of your guys' bikes? Like your windshields? Where are they at? I see any more? Okay.
Is that an SRT4 for real? I know. I don't think they came with big calipers, but it looks legit. They're hard to find. This is the one that was stolen, right?
Yeah, I believe so. Yep.
They got it back. Check out this cool McLaren coming in. Told you some cool cars coming in.
Yes, sir.
Cool car. It's not loud enough. It's not loud enough. Woohoo! SLS. Gullwing doors. Told you guys, got you some cool cars today. Dream car. Woohoo!
I know she was. Oh, did you?
I'm glad you bought it out. Finally saw it.
She's beautiful, right?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my
Thank you.
gosh.
Yeah.
This is dream car level right here.
Huh?
Last three of them, you didn't bring it.
You.
The last three.
Oh my goodness.
I gotta see you.
I'm done.
No, she was.
Oh my gosh. I know.
It's never had a ramp on it.
Super beautiful. All right, guys. Hopefully those cars were worth it. Watching these videos. SLS, Mercedes, gullwing doors, and the McLaren 625 LT, 625 long tail. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and you know, subscribe and like and share. Hopefully I bought some great content with some beautiful cars. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.